In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Revolut to your bank account. So we first need to head over to the Revolut application, and then we're going to click on payments in the bottom navigation. Then in the top right hand side of the screen, click on the plus icon. Now there's a bunch of different payment options here, like sending international payments or paying a Revolut friend. The one that we're looking for is the bank recipient. Click that. Then what you need to do here is select whether you want to send your money into a personal account or a business account. So for most of you, you're just going to select individual, and then you need to scroll down and enter your banking information. So this will include things like the sort code and the account number. Once you have entered this information, we can scroll right down to the bottom of the screen and press add recipient. Once you've added the recipient, you'll then be able to select the amount that you want to send over. And because we've now added this as a recipient, the next time we send money is going to be a lot easier. So just select the amount that you want to send and press continue. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.